How to add drop downs menu in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way, or the this is actually features so you can use. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I just take the new document to show you properly. Okay, so what you need to do, just keep the cursor where you want to drop down menu. Okay, now hit the @ button and type the drop down. So this is drop down option has been come here. Now just click on it. Now you can use the format like this, or you can go to the new drop downs and you can template name, like here you can choose the options. You can also shift the option like this if you want, if you want to customize later like this. Okay, you can change the name, you can delete, you can also add the another menu, you can change the color of this menu if you want. Okay, and just save. So this is drop down menu has been insert. Okay, you can also add or edit option from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.